guys, I'm Full Housing and welcome. Hello guys, I'm Full Housing and welcome. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing something really different. Tabs, or Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. Yeah. So, introduction. So, I already, played most of it. I'm stuck on this one. Okay. I either have to go I always go for the mages because they just destroy. Victory, easy. Man, get in there. Dang, you guys aren't doing anything. Y'all guys ain't doing anything, man. Kill. Oh, y'all guys think you're safe. Y'all guys think you're safe. Pow. Pow. Bro. My man sneezing. My man sneezing. He's like, achoo. Here's the funny thing. They get each other in their own. Protector. Alright, we got Mage, Protector, and a Mammoth. We're winning this. Get in there. Dead. 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 Oh my God. See, he just wants you. Oh, bro, my man. Look at him. Is he dabbing? Oh my God. He's dabbing. Why? Why? And I'm gonna be needing to. Yeah. So it's gonna take me another long time for me to edit this video. Because I'm gonna add another clip. Just like last video. Minecraft. Yeah. My dude died. My dude gone. So, Manny. Oh! Bro, my man gone. My man gone. Bro, he's going to outer space. He's like, yeah. My man going to outer space. Okay. Know what we need? We need these guys. They get in there. Go. And he's dead. Wait. Oh. No! Oh! Oh! My dude! Oh. So uh-oh. He trying to get up. He trying to get up. My man tripped. My man tripped. My man tripped. These guys get in there. They just get in there. Bippity boppity. Yeet. Go. Bro. They kill. Don't die, guys. Don't die. Hey, Bill. Wait. We're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Rest. Yeah. See, they can barely even die. They have hay protecting them. It's time to kill. Kill them. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Kill him. Yeet. Oh my god. Yeah. No. Wait, hold on. This way. Just flip. Yeah. I shall control you. Alright, where are we going? Whee! Too easy. Boy. Alright guys, this clip is about to go out, and yeah, so hold on, let me just end this clip and then I'll do it again, so we'll be right back. And we're back. Alright. So this is what we're gonna do. Since there are, wait a minute. Why can't? Wait. Hold on. Alright guys, we're gonna let's do Dynasty Stairs. Let's do it. Alright, so it's right over there. I don't like that. You know what we need? We need catapults. One over here, one over here. King, we need you. And then I'm gonna arm you. No, I'm gonna arm you with a mage. Wait, not. And then I'm gonna arm you with whatever this is. This is the battle of for the ages. And the king is not dead. But the catapults are. No. The king is dead. No. Catapult. Fire. Catapult! Catapult! Oh. Alright. We just need catapults. Wait. There's ballista. Ooh, I like the sound of that. But ice archers, we need y'all over here. Okay? Summon the tree. because we're monkeys. Berserker. Yeah. Everything else? Wait, we need a Minotaur. Wait, hold on. First, Mammoth. King. Wait, can I still afford an ice archer? Yeah. Then Headbutter. Pow. Let's do it. And the mammoth is gonna die. Yeah, but that was just for shield. Yeah. 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 Oh. King? King, no, not dead. Are they already dead? King? King. 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 That's it. I'm going all out. Catapults! Oh! They don't miss. They do not miss. Yeah! Victory! Easy. Easy collapse. Easy collapse. It's alright, boys. We're good. I'm going to try hard, so we need a catapult. What up? Let's get a ice archer up in here. That's a 60. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot they were retarded. Ice archer. What? I need to take control of you. I'll save your life. Die. Everything. You died. Where did you get? Oh my god. Oh, that's not good. Let's try again. Catapult. Everything else going into ice archers. Yeah, there you go. You got it, friend. Go. I'll save one of the ice archers. Pow. Pow. Yeah, that's what I like to see. That's not good. Uh-oh. How are the catapults doing? They're doing alright. Fire. No! We just have these little guys. They're fine. They want. No! Come on! Come on! Get them. Alright. This is where I went wrong. Oh crap. We're almost out of time. Alright, we gotta make this real quick. Alright guys. We're almost out of time, so after this match, doesn't matter if we lose or not, I'm gonna need to end the video because we're almost out of time, guys. Alright. Yeah. That's what I like to see. Yeah. Alright. I'm just checking the time. Alright, guys. Let me just get. Hold on. Alright, guys. Whenever it reaches to 8, I'm gonna end the video. Cause yeah. Yeah, well, alright. So, guys, if y'all guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that bell, and comment down below what's your favorite game. Yeah. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video. Guys, what are you guys still doing here? Guys, leave.
Yeah. Rest in peace to all the kids that lost their lives in the Parkland shooting. The song is dedicated to you. Okay, she keep calling every single night. And I don't mind pushing cute advice. I'm lost to the God, I'm in my mind. Swear I wanna die, yeah, when you cross my line. I wanna die, yeah, no, I'm not alright, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah, I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what's up, what you say? Feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate, stacking cheese all on my plate. Outside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us. The rest of us, oh, for the rest of us. The rest of us. Okay, she keep calling every single night. And I don't mind pushing cute advice. I'm lost to the God, I'm in my mind. Swear I wanna die, yeah, when you cross my line. I wanna die, yeah, no, I'm not alright, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah, I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what's up, what you say? Feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate, stacking cheese all on my plate.